Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that has the power to completely transform your financial future. A topic so simple that most people ignore it, but so powerful that those who master it end up building incredible wealth. Smart saving. Now I know what you're thinking. Saving sounds boring, right? Like cutting out fun, sacrificing lattes, saying no to everything, and living miserably just to stash away a couple of bucks. But let me tell you this. Smart saving is not about deprivation, it's about control, it's about awareness, and it's about turning small daily choices into massive long-term results. Think about it. If you save just $3 a day, the price of a coffee or snack over a year, that's more than $1,000. Over 10 years, without even investing, that's more than $10,000. But if you put that into an investment that grows at, let's say, 7% a year, you're not talking about $10,000 anymore, you're talking about almost doubling or tripling it thanks to compound growth. And this is the secret that wealthy people understand. Wealth is not built by one giant lottery ticket or some miracle paycheck. It's built brick by brick, tiny, consistent actions stacking up day after day. So how do you actually apply smart saving in your life? First, let's talk about the 50-30-20 rule. It's a super simple framework where 50% of your income goes to needs, things you can't avoid, like rent, food, transportation, 30% goes to wants, the fun stuff, the lifestyle you enjoy, and 20% goes directly into savings and investments. But here's the twist. Most people flip it. They spend first and then hope to save what's left. And guess what? There's rarely anything left. The trick is to flip the script. Pay yourself first. Set up automatic transfers the moment your paycheck lands. It's like paying a bill, but the bill goes to your future self. Imagine every time you save, you're literally buying freedom, buying peace of mind, buying a future where you don't have to stress over money. And here's another key. Set goals. Saving without goals is like driving without GPS. You just wander around. So what's your goal? Maybe it's buying a house, maybe it's retiring at 40, maybe it's building a college fund for your kids, or even creating a safety net so you can quit a job you hate and chase your dreams. When your saving is tied to a clear vision, every dollar feels like a step closer, not a sacrifice. Now, let's make saving fun, because yes, it can be fun. Try challenges. The $1 day challenge, the 52-week challenge, where you save $1 the first week, $2 the second week, $3 the third week, and by the end of the year, you've got nearly $1,400 saved up. Or gamify it. Every time you skip ordering food delivery, put that $20 in your savings account instead and literally watch it stack up. Saving doesn't have to be boring spreadsheets. It can be a game, a competition with yourself, even a family challenge where everyone contributes. And here's the real kicker. Don't just save cash, save assets. Cash loses value to inflation over time, but assets like gold, silver, or index funds grow in value. Imagine committing to buy just 1 gram of gold each month. That's like $70 to $100, depending on the market. At first, it seems small, but after 5 years, you've stacked up 60 grams. After 10 years, 120 grams. And if gold's price rises as it historically does, you've built a solid hedge against inflation. Or let's say you put $200 a month into the S&P 500 index. Over 20 years, with average market returns, that's not just $48,000 of contributions. It could be over $100,000 in value thanks to compounding. This is how ordinary people quietly become wealthy. But let's go deeper. Saving is not just financial, it's psychological. It builds discipline. It teaches delayed gratification. Every time you resist the urge to spend on something impulsive and instead save, you're wiring your brain to think long-term, to choose future freedom over instant pleasure. That's powerful, because the truth is, money flows to those who respect it, who manage it wisely, who show it discipline. Now you might be thinking, but I don't earn enough to save. That's the biggest myth. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how you manage what you earn. I've seen people making $3,000 a month who are broke, and others making $1,500 a month who are building wealth. The difference? Habits. Even saving 5% of your income is better than zero. The key is to start. Start small. Build the habit. Once it becomes automatic, you'll naturally look for ways to increase it. You'll cut unnecessary subscriptions. You'll cook at home more often. You'll negotiate better deals on bills. And suddenly that 5% becomes 10%, 50%, and 20%. Another thing to remember. Lifestyle inflation is the enemy of saving. Every time your income increases, resist the urge to upgrade everything. Your car, your house, your vacations. Instead, lock in your lifestyle and let the extra income boost your savings rate. This is how people accelerate their path to financial freedom. And let's not forget emergencies. Life happens, cars break down, medical bills pop up, jobs get lost. Having even $1,000 set aside can be the difference between a stressful disaster and a manageable inconvenience. Build an emergency fund first, then focus on growing investments. Think of it like building a pyramid. Foundation first, then higher levels. And let me hit you with this perspective. Saving is literally buying back your time. When you save and invest, your money works for you. Over time, your investments generate income, and that income can eventually cover your expenses. That's financial independence. That's freedom. That's the ability to wake up every day and choose what you want to do, not what you have to do. And isn't that the ultimate goal? To be free? To live life on your terms. Saving is the first step on that path. And don't underestimate the small wins. Celebrate them. Saved $50 this week. That's $50 closer to freedom. Skipped buying that unnecessary gadget. Perfect, you just invested in your future. Shift your mindset from "I can't afford this" to "I am choosing freedom" instead. Because every dollar has a job. Either to satisfy a momentary impulse or to build your dream life. Which one are you going to choose? Remember, the people who succeed financially are not always the smartest or the highest earners. They're the most consistent. They stick to the plan, even when it's boring, even when it's slow, even when nobody else understands. They keep stacking those bricks, one at a time, until suddenly, years later, they've built a fortress of financial security. And here's the challenge I want to leave you with. Today, set up an automatic saving system. Even if it's just $20 a week. Don't wait until the perfect time, because it never comes. Start now. Your future self will thank you. So remember, smart saving is not about living small, it's about living smart. It's about creating options, building security, and buying back your time. Small steps today equal massive freedom tomorrow. If you've got value from this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs financial motivation. Let's build a community of people who are done being controlled by money and ready to take control of it. Stay smart, stay consistent, and start your journey to financial freedom today.